Hey there guys, I hope you're all fine. So in this tutorial, we are going to learn how to change your team photo in Trello. So without further ado, let's get started. So click on Trello and as you can see, there is no image that I have set on this team, on this board here. So click on the board and now you need to click on these three dots here. And now again click on these three dots and as you can see, it is showing on the top. So click on the background and you can choose colors if you want, or you can choose the stock photos that are from here. There are many amazing stock photos that you can find here. You can also search here. You can also type a team here and it will show you some stock images for team. But if you have your own photo that you want to add from your device or from your own files, simply click on this add icon at the bottom. Click on it. You can either take a photo or you can select a photo from your file. So I'm just going to select a photo. I'm just showing you as an example here. Alright, so as you can see, we have successfully uploaded our photo. Now we will go back and as you can see, it's a picture of a strawberry. You can choose any picture you want. So that's it for today guys. Hope you found the video beneficial. Feel free to ask any questions in the comment section and have a good day.